guys, welcome to Day Vita, or Veda, I really don't care. Anyway, Day 25. I'm hyper because I had coffee, yay! Wow. Anyway, this is the week I like to call Seniors Don't Have to Do Anything at School because there is PSAE testing week, yay! And I'm probably going to school like every day this week anyway because I actually might have to work in the preschool at our school, but I get paid for it, so that's okay in my book if I have to come to school still. But yeah, I am editing a video right now for my collab channel. I will link it in the bottom bar when it goes up. It has to render. That's the only reason I'm not recording on my nice camera, is because I already have to render that video, and then this video wouldn't get up until like God knows when, because apparently we're going out to dinner now. In other news, I'm getting my dress altered for prom. I just went to the lady today, and she was really nice. She didn't charge us as much as I think David's bridal probably would have. And I was really happy about it. And yay! And I don't know what else. Yep, that's all I can think of to tell you guys. Sorry if I'm like really just boop, spaz attack today. It happens sometimes. Also, I did really good on my APES final, on like the whatever multiple choice part, I guess, and he still hasn't curved it yet, and I got like a good B without the curve. So I might get a nice little A with the curve, and I'm really excited about that. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna go now because I don't know how much you guys can stand of just me going. Okay, bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow.